In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set manual subtitle positions on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then go ahead and select Preferences. Then you want to select the Subtitles/OSD button near the top here. And then if you go down underneath where it says Forced Subtitle Position, you can click up or down depending on where you want to move the subtitle box to, either to the left or the right. And then once you're done, you would just select Save to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.